You ever wonder how people actually build those insane social lives you see on Instagram? Most start from nothing. No friends, no connections, no women, no secret advantage. They just ran a system nobody's teaching publicly. That's what I'm about to show you. So, I'm Julian, founder of onesociallife. I help high-performing men to build elite social circles in less than 1 month and attract high-quality women by using the one social life system no matter where they live. If you want my full step-by-step plan on how to build your elite social circle, even if you are starting completely from zero, you can see my free guide in the link below. In this video, I will break down my full blueprint, the system that allows my private clients to build elite circles, meet high-value men, and attractive, beautiful women. If you are introverted, even then, new to the city, or starting with zero contacts, that's for you. And stay until the end because I will show you how these small steps start compounding into high status life very quickly, using my personal examples from multiple cities around the world. So let's jump in. The 6-phase system to build a social circle from zero. Phase number 1, calibrate your social energy first. Most guys try to start with tactics, where to go, what to say, how to approach, but none of that works if your internal calibration isn't right. Because people, both attractive women and high-level men, don't respond to your words. They respond to your emotional energy. And there are mechanics to emotional energy. Women are scanning. Do I feel safe, excited, and curious around him? Men are scanning, is this guy stable, grounded, and non-needy? Before you say anything, you need calm breathing, being in the belly, grounded, solid posture, shoulders open, chest forward, relaxed stance, slower movements, no rushed energy. Eye contact, steady but soft, not intense staring, okay? A subtle micro smile, and then relaxed and inviting. Confidence isn't loud, confidence is calm. The micro steps in the systems you can just practice on a day-to-day basis. Say hello to 3 people. Ask one small question. Make one casual comment. A simple example, hey, how's your day? Or I like that watch. I like this. I like the purse. Or if you're in a bar, this spot fills up fast, huh? So small reps. You are rewiring your nervous system to make social initiation normal. Social skill is not intellectual, it's nervous system calibration. Phase 2, build your social pipeline with targeted research. Your social circle doesn't grow by luck, it grows by being where the right people already are. Build your location pipeline. You want 5 to 10 locations you show up to consistently. And how do you do this? How you build your pipeline? Well, search upscale gyms, private cafes, rooftop lounges, co-working spaces. Use Instagram location tags to see where attractive women and high-value men check in. Look at local event groups, charity events, networking mixtures, fitness communities. All these are possible things you can look at. An example for a pipeline could be you have 3 coffee shops, 2 nightlife venues, 1 exclusive gym, 1 weekly networking event, and 1 or maybe 2 private dinners or masterminds. You now have recurring venues placing you consistently in front of high-value people. And there's one effect that will help you. It's called the mere exposure effect. The more people see you repeatedly in the same space, the more familiar, trustworthy, and likable you become, even without deep conversations. You are no longer the stranger. You are the guy who's always here. Familiarity builds safety. Safety builds access. Repetition beats randomness. Phase number 3, master positioning inside social rooms. How you physically move inside venues controls your opportunities. Then position yourself tactically. Stand near social hubs, entrances, bars, lounges. Avoid corners, walls, or looking at your phone. Face the room with open posture. Position you to friendly groups to enter naturally. Simple openness here. You can just say, hey, this place always has good energy. Or you ask something like, first time here or do you come often? Another one is, how did you hear about this event? Simple things. You are not forcing conversations, you are inviting them. High status men and attractive women feel the difference immediately. And that comes into also an advanced frame. Attractive women observe how you move more than what you say. If you are relaxed, connected, and familiar in the room, attraction builds naturally. Phase number 4, let's go. Leverage Instagram. your digital social proof. Instagram is your social resume. The second you meet attractive women or high-level people, they check your profile, 100%. Why it matters? It signals your lifestyle, demonstrates your calibration, and screens you for social proof instantly. It also determines whether they reply to you again. So, typical do's for Instagram is having high-quality profile pictures or pictures in the feed, clean bio with interest. Pictures can be fitness, events, travel, social proof without trying too hard. And also use stories for consistent movement. Typical don'ts that kill your chances are bathroom selfies, blurry low-quality photos, over-the-top flexing, watches, bottles, also cringe captions or desperate humor. No photos at all? That's instant disqualification. You don't need to act like an influencer. You need to signal, I have options, I have access, I am socially calibrated. And how my clients use Instagram? They document dinners, events, and private parties. Share charity events, fitness routines, trips. Use stories for a passive touchpoint with people they met. Women stay engaged because your lifestyle demonstrates value visually. Phase number 5, add value through micro-leadership. You are now inside the rooms you want to be. You have met people, you have exchanged Instagrams. Now your job is to add value and become the connector. And how to add value? Introduce people. That's simple. Something, if you see somebody with marketing background, you both work in marketing, you should connect. Just say that. Also, facilitate invites. Be the leader and say, hey, we are grabbing drinks after, join us. Also, capture content, take photos, share with attendees, ask for IG, organize casual hangouts later, around shared interest if possible. People remember who facilitated their best experience. And why women are drawn to this? Attractive women naturally gravitate toward men who connect people, move comfortably, and are trusted by other high-status men. You are no longer chasing validation, you are leading. And then phase number 6, host small experience to create social gravity. This is where you fully control your own social momentum. Start with something small experiences, 3 to 5 person brunches, small rooftop dinners, weekend trips, beach days, or photo shoots. Also, what's cool is charity events, influencer collaborations, private gatherings. Coming back, what I announced initially, my personal examples in Medellin, Rio, Europe, I've hosted yoga and ice bath events, charity fundraisers, private networking dinners, rooftop mastermind sessions, photo shoots with influencers. All of this is fully documented on my Instagram. You can check it out. So these are just some examples. You just can crush it socially. And small curated events, what they do, they create trust, depth, and influence fast. Small rooms build real leverage. And how this compounds over 90 days. At first, every interaction feels manual, but once the system kicks in, you become familiar to everyone. People start inviting you into private rooms, attractive women see you inside exclusive circles, private trips, dinners, parties start opening up. Your dating life shifts, not through pickup, but through social positioning. At this point, you are not chasing social circles. You have become the hub. And if you want me to personally coach you step by step to build your elite social circle, no matter where you are starting, you can book a free call with me using the link below. Inside my program, I work with high-performing men who are ready to take full control, build real status, real leverage, and attract high-quality women organically. Because most men don't lack potential, they lack a system. Once you apply this system consistently, you build momentum. You attract high-level people naturally, and you stack opportunities you never imagined possible. And if you want to go even deeper, make sure you also watch my next video on how to build a social circle in less than 5 hours a week. And that video breaks down exactly how to systemize everything, even if you have a busy schedule, and build your elite circle fast. The link is below, and I will see you there. Talk to you soon.